This week we're going to be doing roasted lamb and potatoes in a Mediterranean style. I hope you enjoy. In order to get started, you'll need the following things: some aluminium foil, a cutting board, a sharp knife, a juicer, a fresh lemon, a mixing bowl, extra virgin olive oil, garlic salt, Mediterranean rub, which you can get at the South African store, and then a selection of lamb of your choice. I went for a small leg of lamb, but you can use a lamb shank. While you are preparing your potatoes and meat, make sure to preheat your oven at 180 degrees fan forced. The first step is to combine your lemon juice and your extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to stir the mixture vigorously. Then what you want to do is to pour your lemon juice and olive oil mixture over your leg of lamb, but only a little bit, just to coat your lamb. Once your leg of lamb is coated in your lemon juice and olive oil mixture, make sure to season your meat with the Mediterranean spice rub and the garlic salt. Make sure to use a healthy amount of spice, especially with a piece of meat this size. Once you have finished seasoning your leg of lamb, be sure to cover it in aluminium foil. This is so that you keep most of the moisture in. Be sure to put a sheet of aluminium foil in your baking tray to avoid cleaning up a big mess. Don't get rid of your mixture yet, as you're going to need it in a little bit. Grab an extra sheet of aluminium foil and pour some of your liquid into it. Then grab your potatoes and make sure they are fully coated in the liquid. Pour any excess liquid over the potatoes to finish. Once you've used all your liquid, be sure to cover your potatoes completely in aluminium foil. Once your meat and potato has been sitting in the oven for 2 hours, you want to just remove the top layer of aluminium foil to expose your meat. From this point on, you want to increase your temperature to 250 degrees for another half an hour. Now your meat and potato have been cooking for about 2.5 hours. Your potato should be nice and soft and your meat shouldn't be too rare. I hope you enjoy.